Seeing your TV stuck on a black screen with an HDMI No Signal message can instantly ruin your plans and leave you feeling stuck. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest things you can do at home to get your TV to recognize your device again without any hassle. These steps are easy to follow, don't require any tools, and in many cases can have everything working again in just a few minutes. Let's start by checking the correct input, because this is the most common cause. Take your remote and press the input or source button, then carefully look through options like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 and select the one where your device is actually plugged in. Many people don't realize the TV is simply on the wrong source, and switching it fixes the issue right away. Next, we'll refresh the connection by power cycling the devices, so follow this closely. Turn off your TV and the device you're using, then unplug both of them from the wall. Wait for about 30 seconds so everything fully resets, then plug them back in and turn them on again. This simple step clears temporary connection glitches that commonly cause the no signal message. If the screen is still blank, move on to reseating the HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the device. Then plug it back in firmly on both ends. Even a slightly loose cable can block the signal, so make sure it's fully inserted. If that doesn't help, try using another HDMI port or a different cable. Move the HDMI cable to a different port on your TV and switch the input to match that port. If the problem continues, replace the cable with another one if you have it available. HDMI cables can fail without warning, and this step often fixes the issue instantly. Now let's check the device's output settings. If you're using a PC, console, or streaming box, make sure the resolution is set to something your TV supports, and that the device is actively sending a video signal. Once the output is correct, the TV should recognize it without any trouble. If the issue still hasn't been resolved, you can try a soft reset on your TV as a last software step. Go into the TV settings and look for the reset or initialize option, then follow the on-screen instructions. This refreshes the system and can help the TV recognize the HDMI device again, but only use this step if the earlier ones didn't work. If none of these fixes solve the problem, the issue may be internal. At this stage, the HDMI ports or internal components handling the signal could be faulty, and there's nothing safe to repair at home. The best option is to contact the manufacturer's support or visit a professional repair service, especially if your TV is still under warranty. That's it for this video on fixing the HDMI no signal problem. I hope these simple steps help you get your screen working again without hassle. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let me know in the comments which device or HDMI port caused the issue for you, or if one of these steps worked.